guys, it's me, Riley, and my cousin Peyton, and you might remember her from Crazy Cousins. Make sure to go check out that video if you have not seen it yet.
Yep.
But Peyton, introduce yourself. Okay, so we are gonna do a burp off. I'm like the famous burper in the history of YouTube. I'm kidding, no, I'm not the famous burper, but like I haven't really seen it.
I might win because I can burp a lot.
Okay, so up in the corners, there's a burp count for each of us. So I'm gonna have a lot of editing to do.
Comment down below and see who won.
I'm gonna have a lot of editing to do. So yeah, there's gonna be a burp count right up there.
Yep.
So
down below.
Let's start. Let's start. Okay, we're gonna start. I'll go first and then you, okay?
Okay.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
Wait, guys.
So that's all for today, guys. That is our burp off. So yeah, guys. Bye.